Water has always been a focus for development. Even in history, civilizations flourished around water bodies, as everybody is aware that the safe drinking water is an indispensable necessity for a good quality of human health. Unfortunately, water in India is complicatedly linked with the cultural fabric of the country and has both economic and social implications. In fact, India does not fall under the category of water scarce country. Rather, it can be termed as a country under water stress. In the state of Maharashtra, the annual reservation for drinking water in the urban area is 4.7 times of the rural areas. Thinking over the circumstances, BIAF, the renowned NGO of Maharashtra, came forward to find the practical solutions.
By a perspective for any rural development project, we consider water is the major important component of any given area or any given geography, and water is basically for the drinking as well as for the irrigation purpose. When we started in the Mokhada with the support from the Siemens, the villages were on the top of the hills, and though even there is a heavy rainfall area, almost 2500 millimeter rainfall is there in a season, there is shortage of water for drinking purpose in the summers. So we decided to focus water as a major component for the initial 3 years, and that is being help to the families for their drinking purpose as well as irrigation, taking second crop or third crop. And most of the interventions were tried according to the geography, such as the farm ponds, then developing the wells, then the check dams, and strengthening all these structures through the soil and water conservation measures through project support as well as through support from the conversion from the government. We have developed a lot of structures that will be helpful to families to take the more crops, to protective irrigation to the horticulture, and taking second crops such as vegetables and other things, and the livelihood of the farmers will be increased over a period of time.
The schemes that lead to glare of the development of the habitats, the schemes that laid path of prosperity for the unfortunate, deprived and unprivileged community in Maharashtra. A thorough study was undertaken with the help of experts and implemented various schemes that brought enough water to extremely rural population. Project Asha, sponsored by Siemens Limited as corporate social responsibility in Mokhada block of Palghar, comes up with bouquet of customized solutions for the 14 hamlets under water component to provide drinking water solutions, water for irrigation, and area under treatment initiatives. Drinking water solutions such as constructions of new well and desalination of existing sources, solar-based water lifting schemes, installation of pipeline, overhead tanks, and gravity-based water filters ensures clean, potable water in 8 hamlets through the project support. Construction of 2 permanent check dams and 30 farm ponds develops the water storage capacity of 7.3 crore liters water. This project helped the villagers to access surplus water for their agricultural farms to grow second crop in Rabi season. Active involvement of community at every step is another highlight. There are villages where the water would disappear in summer. The villagers experienced drought for the next many months. Many villagers used to go out for finding jobs during this drought period.
ही जी खदानी दिसते तिचा वापर आम्ही घराला दगडी काढण्यासाठी केला, नंतर रस्त्याला खडी करण्यासाठी केला. त्यानंतर बायोफ संस्थेने आम्हाला काजू, आंबा, मोगरा दिला आणि ह्या खदानीतलं पाणी तसंच साचून राहायचं. मग त्याने आम्हाला काजू, आंबा, मोगरा दिला, त्यामुळे आम्ही पाण्याचा वापर झाडांसाठी करायला लागलो, त्यामुळे आमचं भलं झालं.
Area treatment activity in the vicinity of villages allowed to recharge the water sources. Micro irrigation solutions like drip sets, diffusers, and water saving agricultural practices are being promoted among the tribal farmers. Collectively, the village has got a water relief now. They are now able to access water for their agricultural farms and for drinking as well.
पण शेततलाव घेतल्यापासून ना आपला खूपच फायदा झालेला आहे. बरं का झाडं पण लावलेले आहेत, त्यांच्यासाठी पाण्याची पण सोय झाली समजा. परत कारल्याचा बाग लावलेला आहे, कारली लावले आहेत, कारल्याचा पण फायदा झाला. 5-6 हजार रुपये कमावले, पण चालू पण आहे, अजून पीक चालूच आहे. खूपच म्हणजे फायदेशीर शेततलाव झालेला आहे माझा. मार्गदर्शन खूप दिलं, एकदम मस्त मार्गदर्शन. त्याच्या मार्गदर्शनामुळेच मला ती सवय लागली.
Let us take a roundup of the results and outcome of the BIAF efforts from the farm-based livelihood. More than 1,20,000 plants are grown and nurtured by the villagers. Fruit plants like mango, cashew, Thai guava, jackfruits are grown in the systematic and organized manner with the farmers. Over 150 farmers developed floriculture and grown flowers like jasmine. More than 100 farmers are regularly cultivates fresh green vegetables as a commercial crop. All this together earned considerably good amount in the markets. This helped them to lift up their living standard.
अशा कल्पतका ह्या लोकांनी आम्हाला येऊन सूचित केलं की आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी पाण्याची व्यवस्था वगैरे करून देतो, तर तुम्ही जागा वगैरे उपलब्ध द्याल का. तर मी विचार केला, म्हटलं चला आपल्याला पाणी नाही काहीतरी उपयोग होईल. तर अशा कंपनीने मला एक तळं काढून दिलं. तळं काढल्याच्या नंतर त्याच्यात आम्हाला झाडं, मोगऱ्याची झाडं दिली, फणसाची दिली, पेरूची वगैरे दिली आणि त्यांनी ती लागवड करायला सांगितली. ती लागवड मी योग्य रीतीने केली. त्याच्यानंतर मी परत प्रयत्न केला, अशा जे आपल्याला पाण्याची सुविधा दिलेली आहे त्याच्यावरती आपण दुसरा पण प्रयत्न करावा. तर मी प्रत्येक याची म्हणजे चिकूची, काही डाळिंब म्हणा, असे काजू वगैरे हे पण मी झाडं माझ्या ऐपतीप्रमाणे थोडे 10-10, 20-20, 5-50 असे मी लागवड केली. भाजीपाल्याचा पण मी प्रयत्न करून बघितलं, तोही माझा साक्ष झाला. भाजीपाल्यामध्ये मी कारले लावले, भेंडी लावले, वांगे लावले, मिरची लावली. अशा अनेक प्रकारची जी काही आमच्या जमिनीमध्ये जी भाजी उत्पन्न होते त्याचं मी थोडं प्रयत्न करून बघितलं, पण माझा तो सगळाही प्रयत्न मला साक्षात फुल झालेला होता. तर एवढंच की अशा कंपनीने मला खूप सहकार्य दिलं. तर मी अशा कंपनीचा माझ्यातर्फे मी खूप आभारी आहे. धन्यवाद.
Many other livelihood opportunities emerged through this effort. The rural non-farm sectors could explore this opportunity. Around 100 vulnerable families, self-help groups of women engaged in various group enterprises.
मी मशीन काम करते. माझ्याजवळ अगोदर मशीन नव्हती. बाहेर संस्थेकडे मी मशीनीची मागणी केली. त्यानंतर मला त्यांनी एक मशीन दिली. त्यासाठी मी अगोदर क्लास केले होते, तर त्याच्यासाठी मला मशीन हवी होती. हात साफ नसल्याने मी काही रोजगार मिळू शकत नव्हते. बाहेर संस्थेने जेव्हा मला मशीन दिली तेव्हा मी ते मशीनवर काम करून 2 पैसे मिळवू लागली.
Again, many community-led institutions strengthened and engaged in sustainability of the project activities. Quenching thirst is the real service to the mankind. BIAF has recognized it and brought it into practice. True to Mahatma Gandhi's assurance, the future of India lies in its villages.